Your channel could be eligible for this. I'm Christian D'Souza and this is a new series I'm starting. It's called YouTube Updates. So, let's go.
Have a sing-along.
Are you a few subscribers away from the YouTube Partner Program or YPP? Well, YouTube's got you covered. So basically, recently they came out with an update saying early YouTube Partner Program access is official. Let me go through it part by part. What is the YouTube Partner Program? YouTube Partner Program is a program set up by YouTube to monetize or, in simple words, make money from your content by making merch, creator clubs, and more. So creator clubs is basically the join button that you see beside most YouTube channel names. What are the general requirements for the YouTube Partner Program? So generally the requirements are 1000 subscribers and 4000 public watch hours or 10 million valid shorts views in the last 90 days. So yeah, but there are some other policies that YouTube judges you on. If you follow their monetization policies, that's how you get in. But that's for another video. Anyways, let's go to the next part. How is the YouTube Partner Program helpful? It is a way for you to earn sponsors and for people to easily find your channel and to make communicating with the YouTube office or developers, whatever you want to call them, easier. What do you mean by early access? So, with the new update, you can get early access to some of the features in the YouTube Partner Program. These include promoting your shop products through the YouTube Partner Program and fan funding features like Super Chat, Super Thanks, etc. And also you can get access to creator memberships. Basically, it is the creator clubs with the join button next to the creators' names. What are the requirements? There are 3000 public watch hours or 3 million shorts views and 500 subscribers. And also, you need to have 3 valid videos uploaded on YouTube in your channel. But either way, these are only available in few countries. YouTube is gradually rolling them out to every single country. So, I hope you all enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching episode 1 of YouTube updates and subscribe for more content like this. In the next video, we're going to be discussing about getting started on YouTube, every change that happened. Thanks for watching. Peace.